In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a search filter in Jira. Let's dive right in so you can streamline your workflow and make your Jira experience more efficient and personalized. To start, you'll need to navigate to Jira. Make sure you're logged into your account and on the main dashboard. Once you're there, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a menu with several options. Click on Filters, which is your gateway to creating customized search criteria. After clicking on Filters, your next step is to locate the Search Work Items option. This will allow you to look for specific issues or tasks within your projects, and it's the foundation for building a search filter. Now, we need to specify the criteria for the search filter. First, click on Project. Here, you'll select the particular project you want to filter through. This ensures that your search results are targeted only to the relevant project, making it easier to find what you're looking for. Once you've selected your project, the next focus is on assignee. Click on this option and choose the team member's name whose tasks or issues you want to filter. This is particularly useful if you're tracking the workload of specific team members or if you only want to view tasks assigned to yourself. The type of issue you're interested in comes next. Click on Type and select from the available options such as Bug, Feature Request, or Task. Choosing the correct issue type helps to narrow down results to the items you care about most. Status filtering is another important element. Click on Status to choose the current state of the issues you're filtering. You might want to view items that are in progress, completed, or perhaps those that are unresolved. For more refined filtering, navigate to More Filters. Here, you'll have a plethora of additional options that can further tailor your search, including labels, priority levels, and date ranges. These options give you greater control over your results, ensuring that you only see what's most relevant to your needs. Finally, once you're satisfied with the filters you've applied and have the search results that meet your criteria, it's time to save your filter for future use. Click on Save Filter, then give it a name that makes sense to you so you can easily recognize it next time. And there you have it. You've successfully created a search filter in Jira. This tool will allow you to quickly access the information you need, helping you and your team work more efficiently. Don't forget to revisit your filters regularly to adjust criteria as your projects evolve. Thank you for watching and happy filtering.